The technique for cutting chicken the Chinglish way is east meets west. I'm glad that you're watching, and I have to apologize for some of the angles that we shot in. Our overhead camera kind of fell asleep and drooped a little, so not all the shots are in frame. But hopefully you'll get a general idea of how we're gonna cut this chicken. It's best to check the temperature of the chicken. You want it over 70 degrees centigrade. During the cooking process, there's a lot of liquid that's collected in the cavity. Make sure you pour that out. Have a bowl of ice water. Put your hands in the bowl of ice water. This is one of my favorite professional cooking tips that I learned in hotel school in Switzerland. If you don't have any ice, cold water or room temperature water will also help. Go ahead and take out the feet from the cavity. First, let's take off the feet. Go in between. Second thing I want to do is take off the head and the neck. In most parts of Asia, yellow chicken comes with the head and the neck because it's auspicious. If you don't have it, just skip this part. The leg. Now, when you take away the leg, a lot of the liquid is going to come out of the leg. Careful, and then pour that liquid into your pan. The leg comes off. And then you can just pull it, and it'll come right off. Cut next to the bone. Turn the chicken towards you, and then... This is a very French method of removing the chicken breast. But it's also very important to have boneless chicken breast for Hainan chicken. I like boneless chicken breast because I just don't like a mouthful of bones. Over here, cut, pull, breaks, the whole leg comes out. That, the knife, turn it around, the wing, cut through, comes out like this. Two breasts, two wings, two legs. This is a nice piece over here, this piece of cartilage. Most importantly is the butt. Here. Nice. Within the bone. I like to keep the whole leg. And then the thigh, I just like to slice. Not too many times because I didn't want to break up the bone too much. Leg goes up here. And the bone right over here. Watch your fingers. Go through the bone, soft bone. This is different from the traditional Chinese way of cutting chicken. For the person who's gonna get that drumstick, they're gonna feel so much more special. We're gonna do slice, tap, tap, tap. Slice, tap, tap, tap. Don't tap to begin with, because if you tap to begin with, you may not get the skin the right way. It comes off. Here. The wing goes into two parts. Okay, comes over here. Slice, tap, slice, tap, slice, tap, slice, tap. You see the skin just stays on that way. Slice, tap. Keep the carcass in the fridge or freezer and use it to make soups or sauces. I like to leave a little bit of meat on the carcass and take as much of the fat away so that I have the best soup. And that's it, how to cut chicken the Chinglish way, a little bit of east meets west for you. Thanks for tuning in, please like, comment and subscribe.